So over here you can see that I have a bunch of messages, and let's say what you want to do is save out those messages so that you can refer to them later. So especially when you have a lot of messages that you want to refer to later, you can save out those messages easily. So to save out messages, you need to go around onto the message that you want to save and click on the three dot icon and then click on save this message right here, and you get the saved notification right here. If you were to go around onto another, let's say for example channel, you can do the same. You can go around, click on the three dot icon right here and click on save message right here as well. If you want to access out those saved messages, now you can click on your profile right here and then go to saved option right here, and you can see the saved messages right here, which will highlight out that part of the conversation right here. If you want to remove the saved out messages, you can click on this button right here to unsave the message, as you can see. And that is how you can save an unsaved message inside of Microsoft Teams.